Hi everyone, welcome to the Data Intelligence channel. So myself Jai. So we are seeing the DP-900 real exam question and answer series with detailed explanation. So this is question number 2. So let's get into the video. So this is our second question. So for each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. So each correct selection is worth 1 point. So if it has three statements, so for each answer you will be getting 1 point. Okay, so the first statement is normalization involves eliminating relationships between database tables. Then normalizing a database reduces data redundancy, and normalization improves data integrity. So these are the three statements we have to mention whether the answer is yes or no. So now let's see the explanation. So in general, the database normalization is the process of restructuring a relational database. So we need to restructure the relational database so in accordance with the normal forms. So hope you'll be having some knowledge on the SQL. So or else you'll just provide the reference link here. So where you can learn about what is the normalization, what are the normal forms used. So we have one normal form, two, three, four, five, and six normal forms. So these are the normal forms which we will be using for normalization process for restructuring of the relational database. So why we are doing the normalizations? To in order to reduce the data redundancy and improve the data integrity. So it is a process carried out in every database we design. Okay, so the process of taking a database design and applying set of formal criteria and rules. So normal forms are nothing but we are just implementing or applying a set of formal criteria and rules for restructuring the database design. Okay, so one of the driving force behind the database normalization is to streamline the data by reducing the redundant data. So the redundancy in the data can be reduced if we normalize the database, and this redundancy of the data means there are multiple copies of the same information spread over the multiple location in the same database. That it can be a duplication. So the same data is present as a multiple copies of the same information over the multiple location. So to avoid this kind of data redundancy, we will be doing the normalization. So now let's see the answer part. So here in the first statement, you can see normalization involves eliminating relationships between database tables. So actually here they just mention the eliminating the relationships. So normalization is not eliminating the relationships between the data tables, they are just structuring it. So they are not eliminating the relationships. So it clearly shows the statement is wrong, so you have to choose the answer no. Next, normalizing a database reduces data redundancy. So, uh, obviously, we'll be normalizing the database to reduce the data redundancy, which we have seen in the previous slide. Like we are doing the database normalization for reducing the data redundancy. So, the option will be S. Okay. Next, the normalization improves the data integrity. So obviously, if we reduce the data redundancy, then it will improve the data integrity also. So the answer will be yes. So here you can see in the database normalization, it will reduce the data redundancy and improves the data integrity. So this line will helps you to get the last two statements. Okay, and here you can see the normalization is used only. It's not the role of normalization is not to eliminate a relationship, it is just to structure the database design. So this statement is wrong, so we choose the answer no. So hope it's clear. So if you have any doubts, you can just refer this link. So I'll be providing this link in the description part, so you can refer it. Okay, and if you have any other questions, then you can ask me in the comment section. So thanks for watching my video. So I'll be publishing the other questions one by one. So it's a real-time examination question, so hope it's clear and give you an idea how you have to answer the Azure DP-900 questions. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Like if you like the video, and comment if you have any queries or anything you need to know about the Azure X certification examination. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep supporting data intelligence. Thank you.